We're joined by Brett Smith, Managing Director of Corazon Mining. Brett, thanks for your time.
Hi David.
Firstly, Corazon, can you share a bit about the company for those who don't know about it?
Okay, Corazon, Perth-based ASX listed minerals exploration company with projects in Canada and New South Wales. Canada is our main, Lynn Lake's our main flagship project. We've been there since 2010 and we built that project really up from some exploration ground into to really controlling the whole historical mining centre and nickel exploration play.
2019 was busy.
Yeah, very busy. We started off with doing a lot of work on our New South Wales project, and we've kind of grown that project from a small prospect and a concept to being quite a regionally substantive project. It's still very early stage for that project, but the copper results are good, the cobalt results are good. About mid-year we switched the focus on the Lynn Lake, and really with a strategy in mind to be drilling by the end of 2019, and we achieved that.
And what did that drilling campaign in 2019 prove to you?
Yeah, it was a small drill program. What it was targeting was disseminated mineralisation or remnant mineralisation around some of the historical mines in the main mining centre. And the concept behind that was to define, I guess, open pittable resources and looking to identify resources which would be good start-up tonnage for a mining operation. So basically going open pit first before having to go underground.
Knowing what you now know, coming into 2020, what does activity look like?
We've got a pretty broad strategy at Lynn Lake. One is on de-risking the project and moving towards development, at least to a point where we can flick the switch on a full feasibility study. So there's things like metallurgy, mining studies, more exploration in the mining centre and identifying resource potential, areas for resource potential. But in tandem with that, we have the exploration play. And Lynn Lake's been described as one of the best brownfields nickel sulphide exploration plays in North America. We've studied the mining centre in great detail with our geophysical and targeting methods, and we're applying that regionally and coming up with some pretty interesting things.
You've just raised a little bit of money. Where does that go?
Drilling, basically drilling, and we're a fairly active exploration company. We put as much money in the ground as we can. We believe we'll be successful with what we want to do in the mining centre, and we're gaining confidence on some of the targets in the region. I mean, these aren't new targets. These are areas we've been picking away at for the last 4 or 5 years, and each time we do a bit of work, they get better and better, and we understand them more. And so we'll be out drilling targets such as Fraser Lake, where we've had some really good drill success in recent years.
For a Corazon shareholder or a new shareholder, what are some of the milestones for 2020 I should focus on?
Well, we're fairly much leveraged to the nickel price, and we're a nickel explorer. We've had it tough in the last few years, and nickel price has been down. The sentiment for nickel explorers hasn't been good, but we have taken that opportunity to build this project. I think all indicators are that the nickel market is improving, and there's a lot of positive forecasts going ahead for nickel, especially class 1 nickel for batteries, for stainless steel, etc. So what we'd like to do is continue to de-risk that project, surprise the market with some exploration success, and keep moving that project towards mining.
A strong portfolio of assets, a defined work program that investors love to see with activity on the ground. Exciting times ahead. Brett, thanks for your time.
We're looking forward to it. Thanks, Dave.